Good morning students. Today we are going to see cyclic quadrilateral. What is a cyclic quadrilateral? 4 points are marked in the circumference of the circle and the 4 points are joined together to form a cyclic quadrilateral. Do you remember that? This we have seen in previous classes. Okay. Now we are going to see exercise 4.4. In that first problem we are going to see now. What is given in the first problem? Find the value of x in the given figure. What is the figure given? It is a cyclic quadrilateral. What is AB? AB is the diameter. In previous exercise we have seen that if a line passes through the diameter and if we got a triangle, this angle will be 90 degree. Do you remember the theorem? I think you will remember. So this is 90 degree. Okay. Remember this. Now what are the things we have to find? We have to find the value of x degree. Let's see how to find. First, what are the angles are given? Given angle ADC is equal to 120 degree. Angle ADC is 120 degree. Now if we know that if the line passes through the diameter and if a triangle is formed, then that one angle will be equal to 90 degree. That is angle ACB is 90 degree. We found this. Okay. Now what angle we have to find? We have to find the value of x. That means we have to find this angle. This is one triangle. Okay. If we find this angle by, if the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. By that theorem, we can find the value of x. How will you find this angle? Angle ABC we have to find now. How will you find that angle? If we add the opposite angles, you will get, what will you get? 180 degree. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. We have seen a theorem. So first we have to find this value. How will you find this? Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So here what are the opposite angles? This angle and this angle are opposite angles. So what will we write? Angle ADC plus angle CBA are equal to 180 degree. Angle ADC plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree. Okay, what is the angle ADC? ADC is 120 degree. So 120 degree plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree. So angle ABC is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. This 120 degree goes there as minus 120 degree. So angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. Now we found the angle ABC. Okay. Now this angle ABC is 60 degree. Now we know the angle, this angle, this is 90 degree, this is 60 degree. Now we have to find this angle. This is a triangle. From triangle ABC, what we can say? Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So if we add all the three angles, we should get 180 degree. If we solve that, we will get the value of x. Let me solve that. From triangle ABC. From triangle ABC, what will you write? Angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Okay. How will we say this? The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. By that we are adding all the three angles. We will get it as 180 degree. Okay. What is angle ABC? Angle ABC is 60 degree. ACB is 90 degree. CAB is x degree. Now we are going to substitute the values. Angle ABC is 60 degree, angle ACB is 90 degree, angle BAC is x degree, that is equal to 180 degree. If you add 60 degree and 90 degree, what will you get? 150 degree plus x degree is equal to 180 degree. So x degree is equal to 150 degree goes there as minus 150 degree. 180 degree minus 150 degree. What is the value? X degree is equal to 30 degree. So the value of x is 30 degree. Now we found the answer. Can you understand this sum? Okay. Now let's see the next problem. What is given in the next problem? In the given figure, AC is the diameter of the circle with center O. If angle ADE is equal to 30 degree, angle DAC is equal to 35 degree, and angle CAB is equal to 40 degree. What we have to find? We have to find angle ACD, ACB and DAC. Okay. Now let's see the figure what is given in the question. This is the figure given in the question. What are the things given? What are the things given? Angle DAC is 35 degree. Then angle CAB is given. Angle CAB is 40 degree. Then angle EDA is 30 degree. This angle EDA is 30 degree. So three angles are given. We have to find three angles. Okay. First let us find angle ACD. Okay. Where is angle ACD? ACD. We have to find this angle. This is one triangle. Also the line AC is passing through the center. That is AC is the diameter. Am I right? So if in a triangle, if one of the side is the diameter of the circle, then what will we say? One angle will be equal to 90 degree. Opposite to the diameter, that angle will be equal to 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree. Okay. So now we know this in this triangle we know two angles. So we can find the other angle easily. Okay. Shall we find that? Okay. Since, write it as since AC is the diameter, angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. Since it is a since this line is the diameter, this angle will be opposite to this side is this angle. This angle will be equal to 90 degree. Okay. So from this what we are going to do? Next step, we have to find angle ACD. For that we know two angles. We are going to find this. What is that? Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. By that we are going to find this. By the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. From triangle Which triangle? From triangle ACD. ACD. What will you write? Angle ACD plus angle ADC plus angle DAC is equal to 180 degree. What is angle ACD? ACD is, we have to find angle ACD. Next, angle ADC is 90 degree and DAC is 35 degree. Let's write that. Angle ACD plus 90 degree plus 35 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. If you add 90 degree and 35 degree, what will you get? Angle ACD plus 125 degree is equal to 180 degree. Next, what we are going to do? We are going to bring this 125 degree to the right hand side. So, angle ACD is equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree. So, what will you get? You have to subtract 180 degree and 125 degree. You will get it as 55 degree. Can you understand this? Angle ACD is 55 degree. Next, what are the things you have to find out? Angle ACB and angle DAE. Let's find that two angles. Now, second we have to find angle ACB. That is angle ACB. This angle we have to find. Here also we are getting a triangle and one side is the diameter. So, the opposite side of the diameter is 90 degree. So, we got two angles. So, now we can find this angle by the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Shall we do the problem? Okay. First, what we have to write? The side AC is the diameter. So, what will you get? Angle ABC is 90 degree. Okay. Since AC is the diameter, what will we get? Angle ABC is 90 degree. Next, from triangle ABC, what we are going to do? Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So, ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degree. How we are saying that? The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. By this, these three angles are 180 degree. What is angle ABC? ABC is 90 degree. ACB is, we have to find out. Then angle BAC is 40 degree. That is equal to 180 degree. Now we have to add 90 degree and 40 degree. What will you get? 130 degree equal to 180 degree. So, angle ACB is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree. This 130 degree goes to the right hand side as minus 130 degree. So, what will you get? 50 degree. Angle ACB is equal to 50 degree. We found angle ACB. Next, what we have to find? We have to find angle DAE. Where is angle DAE? DAE. We have to find this angle. To find this angle, what we have to find? First, we can find this angle. Now, we know this. This is one cyclic quadrilateral. Can you understand? Angle ACDE is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now, we know this angle. We found this angle. What is that angle? Angle ACD is 55 degree. This angle is 55 degree. Then from that, we can find this angle. How will you find that angle? Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. That is, if you add both the angles, you will get 180 degree. So this is 55 degree. Then if you subtract 55 degree from 180 degree, you will get this angle. If you get this angle, what we can do? We can write sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we can find this angle. Okay, can you understand this? Now let's proceed the problem. To find angle DAE, first what we have to find? Angle AED, that is equal to question mark. We have to find this angle. For that, what will we do? Since ACDE is a cyclic quadrilateral, it's a cyclic quadrilateral, angle AED plus angle ABC is equal to angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. What is angle ACD? 55 degree. This angle we have to find, angle AED. That is equal to 180 degree. Angle AED is equal to 180 degree minus 55 degree. What will you get? 125 degree. Angle AED is equal to 125 degree. Now we get this as like this. Now we know two angles in the triangle, so we can find the other angle by sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Shall we find that? Okay. How will you find that? Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. From triangle AED, what we are going to do? Angle AED plus angle ADE plus angle EAD is equal to 180 degree. What is angle AED? That is 125 degree. Plus angle ADE is, we have to, angle ADE is 30 degree. Angle EAD should be found by us. Is equal to 180 degree. If you add 125 degree and 30 degree, what will you get? 155 degree. Plus angle EAD can be written as DAE equal to 180 degree. Can you understand this? What we have? 155 degree plus angle DAE is equal to 180 degree. Now what will you do? Angle DAE is equal to 180 degree minus 155 degree. This 155 degree goes there as minus 155 degree. Then next step, what will you do? You will subtract both the things. What will you get? You will get the answer as 25 degree. That is angle DAE is 25 degree. Now we found all the three angles. Can you understand this problem? Okay. Now let's see the third problem. What is given in the third problem? Okay. What is given in the third problem? Find all the angles of the cyclic quadrilateral ABCD in the figure. They have given 4 angles. Now we have to find all the 4 angles. We have, if we find the value of x, then we can find the 4 angles easily. Okay. Here we are going to use only one proof. What is that? Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. That within that one theorem, we can find all the 4 angles. Okay. Here what are the opposite angles? These two angles are opposite. So if you add both the angles, you will get 180 degree. If you add these two angles, you will get 180 degree. A and C and D and B. Let us do the problem. Angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. How? Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral or supplementary. Okay. What is angle A? Angle A is 2y plus 4 plus angle C is 4y minus 4. That is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now we have to add the variables first. 2y plus 4y, that is 6y plus 4 minus 4. So it will become 0. That is 180 degree. Now y is equal to, here it is in multiplication. So when it goes to the right hand side, how will it go? 180 degree divided by 6. That is 30 degree. If you cancel it, you will get it as 30 degree. So y is 30 degree. Now we found the value of y. Similarly, what we can do, these two angles are opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral. So if you add both the angles, what will you get? 180 degree. The same proof we are going to do again. Angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. What is angle B? Angle B is 6x minus 4. Angle D is 7x plus 2. 6x minus 4 degree and angle D is 7x plus 2 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. Now similarly we are going to add the variables, then the numbers separately. 6 plus 7 is 13x minus 4 plus 2. So you have to subtract and put the greater number sign. So minus 2 is equal to 180 degree. So 13x is equal to 180 degree minus 2 goes there as plus 2. That is equal to 182 degree. 13x is equal to 182 degree. That is x is equal to 182 degree divided by 13. If you cancel, what will you get? If you cancel here 1 time, 13 for 1 time. Next remaining 5 is there. So 52 will go for 13 in 4 time. 13 4s are 52. So 14. X is equal to 14 degree. Now we got the value of x and y. Now we can find all the 4 angles easily. What we have to find? We have to find all the 4 angles. Angle D. Now we are going to find all the 4 angles. What is given as angle A? Angle A is 2y plus 4 degree. Angle B is 6x minus 4 degree. Angle C is 4y minus 4 degree. Angle D is 7x plus 2 degree. Now we have to substitute the value of y and x in every degrees. What is the value of y? Value of y is 30 degree. So 2 into 30 plus 4. What will you get? 2 into 30 is 60. 60 degree plus 4 degree, that is, what will you get? 64 degree. Next, here 6 into x value is 14 degree minus 4, that is equal to 16 into 4 is 64 minus 4 degree, that is equal to 60 degree. Now 4 into y value is 30 degree minus 4, that is equal to 4 3s are 12. So 120 degree minus 4, that is equal to 116 degree. Next step, we have to find the angle D. What is the value of x? Value of x is 14. So 7 into 14 degree minus plus 2. That is equal to, what is 7 into 14? 7 into 14 is 98 degree plus 2. That is equal to 100 degree. Now we found all the 4 angles. Angle A is 64 degree, angle B is 60 degree, angle C is 116 degree, angle D is 100 degree. Angle B is 80 degree. Why? 6 into 14 is 84 degree. So 84 degree minus 4 is 80 degree. Okay. Thank you students. I think today's class is clear for you all. Thank you.